𝐂𝐀 Esports is the new high-end gaming chair from 𝐂𝐀 Technologies. We are a young company, a team of Europeans with the aim of providing quality gaming equipment at an honest price. 𝐂𝐀 was founded only 2 years ago and has experienced strong growth since its creation. Every day, more than 200,000 gamers use our products. Several professional players are equipped with 𝐂𝐀 Tech's products and are convinced by the material. Having a good posture is essential to being able to play in the best conditions. The 𝐂𝐀 Esports has been specifically designed for demanding players with their comfort in mind. Unlike many other competing brands, we have selected for the 𝐂𝐀 Esports the best materials currently available on the market. This seat is truly built to last. Extremely comfortable, you will be surprised by the level of workmanship gone into the 𝐂𝐀 Esports. Its highly thought out and meticulous design make it the ultimate gaming chair. You spend dozens of hours each week sitting at your desk. 𝐂𝐀 Esports is a real investment for your health. Thanks to the 𝐂𝐀 Esports chair, you will be sparing yourself from back pain. The 𝐂𝐀 Esports is extremely robust. Its structure is entirely made of reinforced steel. The backrest and seat are made of high-quality PU leather and treated to resist wear and tear. The padding consists of a high-end foam for perfect comfort. Even after several years, the 𝐂𝐀 Esports allows you to adjust the height of the seat, but also the inclination of the backrest up to 160 degrees for a reclining position. The armrests are adjustable on 4 different axes, so that each individual can adopt the perfect posture. Compared to our other model, the 𝐂𝐀 First, the 𝐂𝐀 Esports, has been designed with a wider seat and a larger than average backrest. We want to ensure perfect comfort for everyone, no matter how big or tall, with the quality remaining the same as the other model. An entry-level gaming seat, barely less expensive, will not last more than a year or two. With 𝐂𝐀 Esports, no risk of wear and tear for years. You choose quality and durability for your chair. Don't wait any longer. Choose the best value for money gaming chair by ordering your 𝐂𝐀 Esports now. You will find a link to our Amazon store in the description of the video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask them in the comments. We will answer as soon as possible. Thank you.
Gaming, tu trono de hierro.